This is the sign for sentence. Okay, we're going to use the same hand shapes for both hands. They are the shape of the letter F. Like in the alphabet, E, F, G, F. How to make an F? Well, start like this. Just use your thumb and your index finger, bring the tips together. Those are Fs. Now tilt them forward so the flat parts up here start together with the tips right here touching. And now we're just going to make wavy motions as we pull out. Sentence. Sentence. From the side. Sentence. From the other side. Sentence. From the front again. Sentence. Okay, so let's do it 3 times from the rest position. Sign with me. Here we go. Sentence. Okay, so once again, same hand shapes. Going to be the letters F, like this. Flip them forward, have them touch, and now just make wavy motions as you pull out. Sentence. Sentence. Okay, we just talked about how to sign sentence.